A leak in behind the washer and dryer. Oh boy. Okay, when you're working around washers and dryers, be sure to unplug them. Don't leave them plugged in. Alright, here, set this over there out of the way. Pipes are insulated. So let's see what we got. I think they're good down to about 0. Alright. Alright.
Hey, wait, it's dry back there.
Yeah. That looks good. Hopefully all this is okay. Alright, start taking your... I wouldn't... looks like it's dry right in here. But just cut it right here and take this off. Well, I'll tell you what. Take this piece off first. These two. Don't take any of that off. Let me give you the knife. Watch your hand. Don't touch your hand. Please don't touch your hand.
Hey, your top winner hand is working.
Right. Well, I got Joey cutting the pipe. It's a shame that pipe cutter doesn't have guitar strings on it.
Yeah.
He'd be a lot better, but that's okay. Maybe he can sing it off of there. Can you get up the right way?
I got it. It's through.
Oh, okay. There you go. Okay, that'll be a little easier to do. Don't go too far down. Come in a little. You can feel that blowout right there.
So where?
So you want to come in. Yeah, about right there's okay. There it is. And there it is. And there's the blowout. All right, we'll fix that one, and let's just hope that's the only one. Seems to be. We're gonna go warm up. The last piece of copper I got is my antenna for my TV. So, of course, we don't need it anymore since we have cable, but all right, fix to cut it up and get our piece we need. The neighbor brought us out some sourdough bread. She just got it out of the oven. So this is a great little treat in between warming up my hands and feet.
You're burning.
Yeah, you'll get over it. You're a highly decorative patio stone and cleaning pipe type guy.
Top winner hand.
Top winner hand. Okay. We'll wait till the homeowner comes on and we'll turn it on.